Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about one of Gmail spam detector using machine learning. Is basically using two model that is whereas the model have some kind of details like congratulations who ran this kind of keywords, and it just like detect email spam email or something. Like if you want to put any specific keywords, it will put the spam sections in the mail, and if you want to delete it, it will delete it. I already put in visualizations, then you can see in the home screen like how many emails are spam or you got so in a day. So the basically thing is in the code you just need to change the, as I push that code in the GitHub, so you just need to change the email address and password, and these two model I already post in the GitHub. But if you want to change it, you can change it, or if you want to add more information, so just put in text requirements.com and just requirements.text, then you can just add one more model. So yeah, and after running the code, it will show you in visualization. So just no more further delay, I've just tested it for a bit. So basically for testing it, I just need to go to compose and the running email. I'll import any subject. So that's how are you running good. So basically I won't put any subject. So in the code that says like no subjects gonna be detected at no subjects gonna be detected as uh, spam email. So it will basically put in spam sections within a second. Yeah, it's no subject. So no subject is already like how are you running good. So it's if you want to delete it, you can just click and delete and just delete it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.